Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use the AI to create beautiful website in Odoo. Like you are seeing right now, this is a hero section and you can see that we have some very beautiful elements, some very beautiful animation for the buttons and many more things. So I'm going to show you how you can create the similar websites using the AI in the Odoo website builder. So the first thing you need to do is go to any of the AI tools, like right here we have, and ask it. You can use any tool if you want, like Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini, whatever you need. Then just ask it to create a section or an entire page in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So for example, I can ask it to create a about section. Now, Claude right here will create an about us section integrated in the code. You can use any platform you want. I personally like the Claude for the coding and the design. But ChatGPT, Gemini, all of those platforms are really good. So give it a minute and it will create the section of your website. So you can see we now have an about section as well. Now all you have to do is go to the code here, copy it, go to your website, click on edit. Let me delete it real quick, and then go to your blocks, and right here you have embed code. Drag and drop it, click on edit, and paste your code. The next thing you need to do is change the content. So on the top we have the style of your website. So right here you can change the colors. For example, you can set the CSS. You can set the color like here, the background, the particle color. We have the color of the hero content, hero title. Every single color, font size, and fonts are right here. The main content of your page are here in the div elements, right? So you can see the text. Like if you want to change it, you can replace all the text, all the images. You can just place the image links for the images and many more things. And once you are done with changing the content colors to your need, click on save. Right here, set it to full width and click on save. And right here, you have your page ready and looking really good. All right, so for example, you can place your images, just place the link of the images, and you can place your images right here or anywhere else, right? But this is a really good way to create quick website, quick landing pages for your website in Odoo. Write your own content, images, or anything else. And make sure to not use the AI generated content because that's not good for SEO. So make sure you always write your own text, right? So write your own titles, own images, own text. So for example, let's say you want to change this heading, create amazing experience. Go back to edit, click on edit code here, and search for the title in the div section. Right here we have the heading, and click on save. Okay, now we have a different heading. So in this way you can change all the text content, all the images, just replace the text and the links. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.